ready to unlock a whole new world of digital adventures on your Nintendo Switch. First, from the Nintendo Switch home menu, locate and select the Nintendo Shop icon. It looks like a shopping bag with the Nintendo logo on it. Go ahead and give that a tap. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the user account you want to use. Select the account that you want to redeem the code with. Keep in mind the content will be linked to this account. Once you're in the Eshop, look for the menu options on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down until you find the Enter Code option. It might also say Redeem Code. Select Enter Code and a text box will appear on the screen, ready for you to input your 16-digit download code. Carefully enter your 16-digit code, ensuring that you input it correctly. Double-check for any typos. Remember, codes are case-sensitive. After you've entered the code, select the OK button to confirm. The Eshop will then verify your code. If the code is valid, a confirmation screen will appear, showing you the item you're about to download. It will show you the game title, DLC, or any other content you're redeeming. Finally, select the Redeem button to begin the download process. Your Nintendo Switch will now start downloading your new digital content. You can monitor the download progress on the home screen now. Sit back, relax, and get ready to enjoy your new digital adventure on your Nintendo Switch.